Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm here again back with one fantastic recipe. This is going to be a baking recipe. It's been a while we have baked some cakes and let's do that today in a very simple way. But before I tell you which cake it is, make sure you press that thumb icon to like our recipes and show some appreciation and love. Press that red button to subscribe the channel and grow this foodie community. Press the bell icon so whenever we put fantastic recipes like this, you get an instant notification. If you are new to the channel, make sure you check out the full channel for some international classic Indian kebab recipes, non-veg recipes, veg recipes, pan-Asian classics. So let us see what we are going to bake today. So today's recipe is going to be the tea cake or vanilla cake. So for our vanilla tea cake, the first thing going to be beating the eggs. So we will be using a egg beater for it. So these are 3 eggs and let us add a teaspoon of vanilla essence to it and start beating it till they are nice and fluffy. This may take around 3 to 4 minutes. So our eggs are nice and fluffy and they are doubled in size. So we will keep them aside and in a fresh bowl we will add the other ingredients. So we have taken 100 grams of butter and we will be creaming this butter with a whisk and then adding a powdered sugar to it. So this is a room temperature butter. Just give it a nice whisk till it light in color. So let us add our 1 cup of powdered sugar to it and cream this both ingredients together. You have to cream it so that all the lumps of powdered sugar are dissolved and the mixture becomes nice and light. So it's time to sift in our flour. So this is 1 cup of flour. And we are adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder to it and sift this in our sugar and butter mixture. So let us fold in flour in the butter and sugar mixture. So it's time to add our egg in batches and mix it. So we will use the hand blender to just mix the batter for around 15 seconds to 20 seconds. So our tea cake batter is nice and smooth and I think what we added is 3-4 tablespoons of milk. That is just enough. So that is a call you have to take while making a batter. It has to be nice flowing batter like this. So we will be putting it to a greased cake tin. So oven is preheated for 180 degrees Celsius and it should take around 35 to 40 minutes to bake. So it's been around 35 minutes and the cakes look deliciously baked. We will just check the cake. If the knife comes out clean, that means it's baked. So our delicious tea cake is ready. It has nice crack on top and it has become double in size. But we need to make it completely cool before we can cut it and enjoy it. So let us cool it for another 15 to 20 minutes. So friends, our deliciously looking and beautiful vanilla tea cake is ready. Look at it, we have sliced it into nice slices and it has come out absolutely delicious, spongy, thick. This will remind you of those slice cake we used to get in our childhood. So I'm going to taste and show you how it is. Wow, very delicious and tasty. And until we meet again with the beautiful recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.